Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a community channel on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that matter, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and from the section go ahead tap on this message icon in the middle, then go ahead tap on this paper and pencil icon on top, and then tap on channel. Now you can go ahead, check it out. You can see reach followers at once, you can share updates, and it will look like this. And then deepen connection, you can engage with your followers directly in the inbox to build community, overshare interest in real time, control who can chat, manage members and remove messages, etc, etc. Tap on get started, and now go ahead add in the name of your channel. Once you have added, you can go ahead also change audience will be anyone on Instagram. It will be available for them. You can go ahead choose to pin channel in inbox, show channel on profile. You can also allow members to reply to messages if you want. If you don't want, you can simply go ahead toggle that off and nobody will nobody will be able to respond to your messages on your channel. That's what you can do. Once you're done adding the name and information, tap on create on top right corner and you're good to go. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.